Junior, how's my big boy doing? Junior, why are you crying? What the hell? Are they actually communicating? Yeah, I give up on humanity. Oh man, your business is booming. We just got our first order in. Dude, what kind of circus shit was that? Like, did you just actually get an order out of him? How'd you do that? Is that like an actual language? Yeah, it's a real language, Mario, obviously. You just don't know it because it's only for us big-brained intellectuals, unlike you. Okay, Luigi, define intellectual, because I doubt you know what that word actually means. Well, it means a person who, Yeah, exactly.